Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open Chrome Music Lab and pick Songmaker. Set tempo around 140 to capture Mario energy and choose a major scale that fits. Once done, switch to the square grid and set 16 steps per measure so you get precise 1/16 rhythmic control. Make sure you use a bright, bell-like timbre to mimic the classic lead. Place your first motif on the higher octave. This gives you the recognizable hook immediately, and you can refine. Now build the core. Enter the iconic 4-note motif, then repeat it with small interval changes every 4 bars so the ear recognizes pattern and variation. After that, add a bassline 2 octaves below to ground the harmony, and place notes on beat 1 and the upbeat of 3 for that bounce. Syncopation sells the groove. Once done, layer a light chord pad on strong beats 1 and 3 to support the melody. Make sure it's sparse so the hook stays clear. Finish by balancing levels. Lower any harsh highs and apply a gentle low pass if the lead clips. Then set the final tempo and loop your 4-bar phrase into a complete 16-bar arrangement for variety. Once satisfied, export or record the system output as WAV. If something sounds wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Verify you're in the right scale and check octave placement. Transpose up or down 1 or 2 semitones to fit. Finally, listen on headphones to confirm clarity before sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.